Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Jim's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 6th, and I'm James Munley. We're going to first talk about the period for November 22nd to the 26th. This is leading up to Thanksgiving, and this is what the pattern we have. We have a trough here over off the west coast of Canada, northwest region here in the Rockies, Intermountain West Plains, trough here in the east, ridging here, strong positive anomalies south of Greenland. We look at we go through the days to the 26th. The pattern is transitions more to zonal, but we still have our trough ridge trough configuration. The ridges stay up here, trough remains in that region. Now we are gonna have an atmospheric river event that's forecast to impact the west coast, and we'll take a look at that at the surface here. 22nd to 26th here. First thing of moisture moving in with snow, and we're going to take a look at satellite imagery. Look at this beast right here. This would be moving into the northwest. This will bring heavy rain and snow. This will result in several inches of rain, with 4 inches with locally higher amounts, causing flooding concerns. And then we have the deep low that would drift from the Great Lakes to the northeast, bringing cooler temperatures along with a cold rain. We'll look at that at the surface too. We go here to Thursday. Here's our system. And as it moves east, it causes a secondary low to form. This is 995, 984. This is stronger. And then we go to 990, 996. This one takes over. And then it brings like a mixed rain and snow here to the northeast, snow further inland. And you notice where the 540 line is here, right in through, looks like through Long Island. And this is the GFS down to the southeast. This low here begins to bring some snow to the Great Lakes region, so forth. And we'll take a look at the rainfall amounts and snowfall amounts that are forecasted. You know, we go here to 26. These are in 24-hour periods, 3.3, 2.2 inches. Then we go further. We have 1.80, 1.90, 1.1, 1.30. So you can see the heavy rainfall amounts. Now here on the east, keep your mind over here, we're going to look at that for Wednesday night, Thursday. This is GFS 0.60. It looks like 0.90 for New York City, close to an inch. We need the rain here, 0.70. This is a good rain amount. Higher amounts here, we have 1.70 over near the Great Lakes. So this will be where it doesn't snow. This will be a significant event. This is of a pattern change, and where it doesn't snow, there'll be a cold rain, and a ridge is forecast to the Intermountain West and the plains, bringing mild temperatures. Okay, we're going to look at the period for November 27th through December 1st. Going through Halloween, we have more of a zonal flow, and we have a trough here in the west, trough here in the east, ridging in between, but a zonal flow. Still positive anomalies here, below normal heights here. This is a good setup for cold over the Arctic. And then we have the ensembles has let me see, the European ensembles has a broad trough across much of the country. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 6 degrees below normal or more. Above normal temperatures here with anomalies could be 8 degrees above normal, mainly across the southeast. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation here. And look what returns here in the east. Below normal precipitation. We need more rain in this region. Not all at once though. Probability of occurrence 40%, mainly here across Texas. Now we're going to look at the period for December 2nd to the 6th. Now we see most of the models have a trough in the east. The ensembles has a broad trough across much of the country region here, where the other countries have a ridge trough configuration up or low here. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures for this region, and not quite ready to extend it further east, but right now I'm keeping it right here, below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 6 to 8 degrees below normal, mainly here. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region here, with anomalies near 8 degrees or more above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, a portion of the southeast, and this region here, back across the east again. Doesn't look like the drought's improving much. If we're getting rain, we appreciate it, but we need more. Not all at once, I keep saying. Don't want flooding. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. So we're going to go back and look at the satellite imagery, the water vapor imagery with the impacting the west. So we have this system here, this system, and we have another one back here. Let's move. So this would be a long duration. There'll be a break in between, and then you can see here in Alaska, they're getting bad weather too. A lot of moisture and very cold air is across this region here. We're starting to get a taste of it here in the east because the colder air is heavier. It has to sink, eventually sink southward, and depending on the polar vortex, I'll have more on that on another broadcast. Okay, so that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.